I will show you the dashboard of the teacher. Example, this is my dashboard. Okay. So, once I open my login account, so these are the list of my subjects or subject load for this current semester. We have Aguinaldo I, that is first semester. For the second semester, is 1. So these are my current subjects. I have Introducing Empowerment Technology. I have 3 Empowerment Technology, then 1 CSS. So for this class, this section is CODA. So if I will check the class record of my students, I can visit or join this CODA section. Okay, so I can, online means I can post the lesson here and I can add videos to that. Yun lang nasa sa bahay.